How to check for apps that's using up the most memory on your device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings button. Next, scroll down, then tap on device care. After that, tap on memory. Then in here, tap on the view more button. In here, it will show you a list of all the apps that is using up your memory. At the top here is Google Play Store. Then we have Epic Games, Samsung Cloud, and so on. To view more apps, tap on the view more button and that will display more apps in the list. And these are all the apps running on your device. If there is any apps that you don't use, you can try to close it or simply use the cleaner button to clean out the memory. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.